Welcome to our outdoor guide. Today we'll show you how to select the perfect tent and set up an ideal campsite for your next adventure. When choosing a tent, it's important to consider the type. A backpacking tent is lightweight and compact, ideal for hiking. Family tents offer more space for group camping, while four-season tents are designed for cold or extreme weather conditions. Tent materials greatly influence durability and waterproofing. Nylon and polyester are common waterproof fabrics, but be sure to check if the waterproof coating is intact when choosing a tent. For backpackers, tent weight is critical. A lightweight tent is easier to carry and reduces the strain on long treks. Tent design plays a big role in comfort. Features like good ventilation, easy access zippers, and built-in storage pockets can make your camping experience much more enjoyable. When choosing a campsite, finding flat and stable ground is essential. This ensures your tent remains secure and provides a comfortable sleeping surface. Wind direction is another important factor. Pitch your tent behind natural windbreaks, like trees or large rocks, to protect against strong wind. While camping near a water source is convenient, be sure to set up your tent at least 20 to 30 meters away. To avoid moisture and potential flooding, setting up the tent starts by unpacking it and spreading it out on flat ground. Make sure all parts are present and in good condition. Next, insert the tent poles into the designated slots. Take your time to ensure everything is properly aligned for a secure setup. Once the tent is standing, use stakes to secure each corner into the ground. Tighten the guy lines to stabilize the tent, especially in windy conditions. The interior layout and features of the tent will determine your comfort. Good airflow and handy storage can make all the difference during your stay. With your tent set up, you're ready to enjoy the beauty of nature. Remember, selecting the right tent and campsite is the key to a successful camping trip.